Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started. In this video, we're going to checking out 5 best welder for aluminum you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly, reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best welder for aluminum in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Welder MIG 250 Pro Aluminum MIG Welder. If you're looking for a reliable welder for aluminum, steel, and other materials, this unit is hard to beat in its price range. The Welder MIG 250 Pro is a powerful, feature-rich multi-process welder that delivers impressive performance for both professionals and hobbyists. With 250 amp output, digital controls, and the ability to handle multiple welding processes, this machine is a fantastic investment for those who need versatility and precision. One of the standout features of the Welder MIG 250 PRO is its synergic control system, which automatically adjusts wire speed and voltage based on the selected material and thickness. This makes it beginner-friendly, while still offering advanced customization for experienced welders. For those working with aluminum, the spool gun compatibility is a major advantage, providing smooth feeding and consistent welds. The pulsed MIG function is particularly useful for thin materials, reducing heat input while maintaining strong weld penetration. The LCD display makes adjustments intuitive, allowing users to fine-tune settings quickly. Whether you're welding mild steel, stainless steel, or aluminum, this welder delivers smooth, high-quality welds. Provides strong arc performance for welding thicker materials with ease. Handles, MIG, pulsed MIG, flux core, spool gun MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding, making it one of the most versatile welders on the market. The large LED screen simplifies parameter adjustments, allowing for precise welding settings, enables seamless aluminum welding, eliminating feed issues with soft wires. Our second best welder for aluminum is Thulium Aluminum MIG Welder. For welders looking for a high-performance machine at an affordable price, the Thulium 250A is an excellent option. Here's why it stands out. One of the biggest strengths of the Thulium 250A is its pulsed MIG function, which helps control heat input and ensures precise, high-quality welds on aluminum and thin materials. This makes it a fantastic choice for automotive work, fabrication, and repair jobs. The synergic control system is great for both beginners and professionals, as it automatically fine-tunes settings while still allowing manual adjustments. The LCD digital display is clear and easy to use, making it simple to set wire speed, voltage, and mode selection. Additionally, the spool gun compatibility ensures seamless aluminum welding, preventing the wire feeding issues that can occur with standard MIG setups. Provides excellent arc performance for thicker materials, ensuring strong weld penetration. Supports gas MIG, gasless flux core MIG, lift TIG, stick welding, and spool gun MIG, making it an all-in-one solution for different welding needs. Reduces heat input, making it ideal for thin materials like aluminum, preventing warping and burn-through. Works with standard home outlets, 110 volts, and industrial power sources, 220 volts, offering versatility for home and shop use. Intuitive interface allows for easy adjustments of welding parameters, ensuring precise control. Designed to handle aluminum welding efficiently, improving wire feeding and reducing issues with soft wires. Automatically adjust voltage and wire feed speed, making it beginner-friendly while still allowing advanced customization for experienced welders. Third pick in our list is Lotos MIG 225 SP MIG Welder. If you're looking for a feature-rich and reliable welder that offers excellent performance at a competitive price, the Lotos MIG 225 SP is definitely worth considering. One of the most impressive features of the Lotos MIG 225 SP is its auto-synergistic setting, which simplifies setup by automatically adjusting welding parameters. This makes it a great option for beginners while still offering manual control for experienced welders. The included aluminum spool gun is a major advantage, eliminating the extra cost and hassle of purchasing one separately. This allows for smooth aluminum welding with minimal feeding issues, making it ideal for fabricators and automotive repair specialists. The dual voltage capability ensures maximum flexibility, allowing users to weld anywhere, from home workshops to industrial job sites. Plus, the digital display and simple controls make it easy to fine-tune settings for different materials. The Lotos MIG 225 SP is a highly capable, feature-packed welding machine that delivers exceptional performance across multiple welding processes. Its 225A power, auto-synergistic settings, and included aluminum spool gun make it a great investment for both professionals and hobbyists. If you need a versatile and user-friendly welder for aluminum, mild steel, stainless steel, and sheet metal work, the Lotos MIG 225 SP is one of the best options in its price range. Automatically adjusts voltage and wire speed based on material thickness, making it ideal for beginners while still allowing manual control for experienced welders. Useful for automotive repairs and sheet metal work, offering better control for delicate jobs. Number 4 in our side is AZZUNO Aluminum MIG Welder. If you're looking for a portable, multi-process welder that balances performance, ease of use, and affordability, the AZUNO 155 amp is a strong contender. Delivers sufficient arc strength for light to medium-duty welding tasks. Supports gasless MIG, gas mag, aluminum MIG, stick, and lift TIG, making it an all-in-one solution for various welding applications. Works with both standard home outlets and industrial power sources, adding flexibility for garage, workshop, or on-site work. Offers both flux core, gasless, and solid wire, gas MIG options, allowing users to adapt to different materials and environments. Unlike many entry-level welders, this model supports aluminum MIG welding, expanding its usability. Provides added versatility, though a TIG torch must be purchased separately. Adjust voltage and wire speed automatically for a beginner-friendly experience, while still allowing manual tuning for experienced users. Weighing less than most heavy-duty welders, it's easy to transport and store. The AZUNO 155 amp welder stands out due to its user-friendly design and reliable performance. The synergic control system makes welding effortless for beginners, while more advanced users can manually adjust settings for greater precision. Its dual voltage capability ensures you can work in different environments without needing additional adapters or converters. The gas and gasless MIG options make it versatile for both indoor and outdoor welding, while the lift TIG and stick modes offer additional flexibility. For aluminum welding, the aluminum MIG function is a great addition, but it may require fine-tuning and a compatible spool gun, not included, for best results. Last in our best welder for aluminum list is Hitbox TIG Welder, ACDC aluminum welding machine. For those needing stick MMA welding, the Hitbox performs reliably, making it a solid choice for fieldwork or rougher applications. Provides high-end features at a budget-friendly price compared to similar models. Enhances efficiency and power stability, leading to smoother and cleaner welds with minimal spatter. Ensures stable arc control, providing cleaner, high-quality aluminum welds. Supports AC-TIG welding for aluminum and DC-TIG for steel, stainless steel, and other metals. Clear, user-friendly controls make it simple to adjust settings for different welding applications. Adds versatility, allowing users to weld in different conditions, even on rusty or dirty metals. Reduces heat distortion, making it ideal for thin metal welding and precision work. Strong welding capacity, allowing for smooth and stable welds on thicker materials. The AC/DC function and square wave technology significantly improve aluminum welding performance, resulting in cleaner, stronger welds. The pulse TIG feature is a great addition, reducing heat buildup and preventing warping on thin metals, a must-have for automotive and fabrication work. Additionally, the IGBT inverter ensures a smooth and stable arc with minimal spatter, making the welding experience more efficient and enjoyable. The digital control panel is intuitive, allowing users to adjust amperage, pulse settings, and AC balance with precision. While it lacks a foot pedal and is limited to 220 volts, the HBT250P remains one of the best cost-effective TIG welders available. Whether you're working on automotive repairs, fabrication, or precision welding, this machine delivers reliable, high-quality performance.